Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in and greetings to you all. I hope you are doing great as well. Today, I'm so happy to share with you how I make my delicious fried prawns pie. Okay, and it's going to be so quick, but the ingredients will make you achieve an amazing result. Without much ado, let's get to the kitchen. Can you see that? It's so rich and it's so moist. Can you see the inside? It's so moist and it smells and tastes so good as well. Let me introduce you to all my ingredients. I have my prawns, I have my chopped shallot and chopped tomatoes, black pepper and Maggi tablet. Now let's begin with the filling. We're going to make a simple delicious filling for our pie, okay? So the oil is already heated, so I'm adding my shallots. You're going to allow it to fry for some minutes and then we will add the rest of the ingredients, okay? It smells so good, and now we are adding our prawns. Guys, as I said, we are making simple delicious filling for this pie. We are going to leave it for it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes and then we add the rest of the ingredients. So now it's time to put in our first chopped tomatoes. Yes, guys, give it a gentle stir and it looks good and smells good. It looks good and smells good. We are adding our garlic granules, our ground ginger, and our Maggi tablet. You can use any seasoning of your choice, guys, but these are my preference for this particular prawns or shrimp pie. It smells so good. I'm loving it. We're adding some salt to taste, and we will keep stirring to combine all the ingredients, all right, to make sure that the salt mixes well with the rest of the ingredients. It's so far so good. I'm adding cornstarch or corn flour to thicken up my sauce or my filling. So guys, it's optional, okay, but just that it helps to thicken up the filling or the sauce. That's it. That's the main point, putting it in the sauce or the filling. So you can opt that out or add it in if you have it. I've added some water just to increase the moist effects to my pie. So we're going to leave it like this for it to cool down. All right. So now, guys, we're going to measure our flour, and I'm using plain flour. Okay, this is 2 cups. I'm going to measure 4 more to make it 10 cups. Okay. Growing up, there was this woman who used to sell fried pie like this behind my school premises, and I was always looking forward to see this woman after school because her pie was so rich and I always loved it. So now I'm trying to recreate it my own way, and it's going to be so tasty because I've taken my time and I'm putting all my love in this. So guys, keep on watching till the end. So now we are done measuring our flour, and we're going to add the rest of the dry ingredients. We have baking powder, we have salt, we have sugar, and then nutmeg. Guys, I'll leave the measurements of all the dry ingredients in the description box below, okay? So no worries, all right? You're going to mix them properly, okay? Make sure that you mix them properly, and then we continue from there, okay? Take your time and mix it properly. We are done with the mixing up of the dry ingredients, and now we are adding our butter. I'm using 500 grams of butter, okay? Again, you're going to mix it well, but make sure that you don't use the inside of your palm to mix it, okay? Always use your fingertips to mix your pie, because inside your palm is warm and it's going to let the butter melt easily, and that will not help your process, okay? In the end, the texture of our crust should be something like this, okay? It shouldn't be too sticky, and it should be like some form of sand, right? And that's what we've got right here, and it's going to help get the right results. It's time for us to mold our crust, and to make it easy for us to mold it, we're going to add evaporated milk to make this process easy. It's also going to help enrich our pie and also to give it more flavor. Okay, this will help enrich the taste and also help me mold my crust very easily. Wow, that's it. It was so quick and so easy. You're going to cover this up tightly and then keep it in the fridge for 5 to 10, 15 minutes, okay? Or straight away, you can just roll it and then you make your pie, okay? Now I'm trying to get some colors in my filling, so I'm adding carrots and green peas. I'm trying to put some colors in there, and now my shallots. We're going to stir and mix our ingredients together well, and then you wait for our crust when it's ready, and then we start making our pie. Guys, we are almost there, so keep watching till the end. All right, so the crust is out, and our rolling pin is also ready to start the job. The work surface is cleaned, and now I'm drizzling some flour on the work surface. I'm going to bring the crust out of the bowl, and then we will start to roll. We start to roll, guys. Rolling time is here. Mm? So make your muscles ready. Make your muscles strong, because that's the time. The time is here to exercise your bones, exercise the muscles. Okay. So, guys, I'm going to flatten it up till I get the crust size that I want, either thick or thin. It's all your choice. All right. When you finish working on one side, you gently turn it over and work on the other side as well. You do it gently in order not to break your dough. Okay. This is beautiful and so rich. I love the texture and I love what I'm seeing. It's so rich and it's going to be so flaky as well. Guys, I'm impressed. Look at that. Look at all that richness in the crust. Wow. I'm going for this thickness, and yes, guys, it's time to cut our shapes out. Let's do this quickly because I cannot wait. Wow. We're going to also mold this pieces together and again roll the pin on it to flatten it up and cut the shapes out as well. Yes, guys, get your muscles ready for exercise. Exercise your muscles. So, guys, with all this exercise going on, give me thumbs up, okay? Like this video, share, comment, and recommend this channel to friends and families. Let them know about this channel. Let them know that we are doing things good. Let them know that we have appetizing recipes going on this channel, okay? Thanks for sharing and thanks for recommending this channel to friends and families. It's now time to put our filling in the crust. But first, you have to dip your brush in water or milk or egg, and then use the brush to brush the edges of the crust, okay, before you put in your filling. This will help you to seal your crust perfectly. So now we're going to use our finger to seal the crust properly, okay. This is one step, and the main step is that you use your finger to just make this beautiful sealing. That's it. Yes, that's it. You can as well use the fork to do this, okay. guys. So you have to repeat this process with all of the crust, and when that is done, you go ahead, bake your pie or you fry your pie. We are going to do the second one. I'm rolling the pin on it in order to enlarge the crust a little bit. Yes, this part is optional, okay? So using the brush, you brush the edges of the crust. And now I'm going to put in our beautiful and delicious filling. Wow, this filling doesn't only smell good, it tastes good as well. I'm so much impressed. Now we're going to seal the pie by using our finger like the first one, guys. Use your finger to press it down like this. Do it perfectly and gently. Can you see it? It's so rich and beautiful. So guys, we are all done. Ta-da! It's so beautiful and so rich. The kids cannot wait. I cannot wait as well, guys. You're going to make the top of the pie glossy. So I'm using milk. You can as well use your egg to do this, okay? Do this gently and perfectly. Take your time and make it look so nice. We are almost getting to the end of our video, guys. So now we are using the fork to poke some holes in the pie. This will help the pie not to explode when it's in the oven, alright? But you can as well skip this part because some of us, we don't do this all the time, yet the pie doesn't explode, alright? So it's up to you. But I think it just makes the pie beautiful. It makes it look beautiful. That's it. We are done with part one. So this one right here is going straight into the oven. Whilst at this point, guys, make sure that your oven is preheated. And I've done just that. So we come back and then work on the second one, which is the part two. This one, I'm just poking only some holes in it, and I'm not doing the glossy part. Okay? Since we're going to fry this one, make sure that whilst you are at this point, your oil is also on the cooker top and it's ready to fry the pie. Okay? Okay, so now, lovely people, I've changed my mind. I'm going to put some milk on top of some of these pies and then we will see if there will be any much difference. Okay? So this one has no milk. This first one has no milk on top. This one has milk on top. So we will see if there's going to be any big difference. Okay, so now let's see. It's fine and it smells so good. It smells so good. This one right here is opening up, and can you see it? Because I didn't even apply the milk at the edges. That's why it's opening up. So guys, make sure that all the time you either use the milk, water, or egg to brush the edges, and then use your finger to seal it properly. Okay. Wow, I love it this way. I'm going for this color. I don't want it more crunchy or more brown. So it depends on you guys. You can leave it a little bit more to fry to get that crunchiness in it and also make it a little bit brown if you want it that way. But I am good with this one and it smells so good. The aroma is amazing. I wish you could come to my house to smell how aromatic my house is, how heavy my house is. I'm so impressed and I am good at this point. I can't wait to enjoy this with my mouth. Wow. Wow. So that's the difference. The one without the milk on top and then the one with the milk on top. There is a difference, but to me, it's not that big difference. But I love it without the milk on top and it's perfect for me right here and right now. And so good. Thank you so much. I hope you are inspired and I hope I've taken your mind back to when you were a child. This one too is ready and the kids will love it. Let's see how moist the inside is. Let's see it. It's so hot. So hot. Yes. It's so hot. So hot. But it's so rich. Wow. It's so moist and it's so rich. So finally, my prawns pie is done, and I am not mad at all. I love the results. It's so amazing, and I hope guys you try it at home and bring me the feedback. I am enjoying myself right here, and guys, I am so happy. I'm so happy. Ow, ow! How I used to miss this pie, and today I've made it in my home. What? I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy it. Look at that too. Look at that. It's so rich. The inside is so moist. Thanks for watching, and I do really appreciate you all my subscribers. So if you are new, join this family by clicking on the red subscribe button. Click on the bell button as well to get more updates. I love you all. Stay blessed. Mwah.